If your remote control receiver is acting up and not responding, it can feel super frustrating, like your television or device just decided to ignore you. So, first, check the batteries in your remote because sometimes they're just dead or low, and swapping them out fixes everything. Next, make sure there's nothing blocking the sensor on your device or the remote itself, like a lamp or some random stuff on your table. You'll also want to clean the sensor area gently with a soft cloth, since dust or grime can totally mess with the signal. Try pointing the remote directly at the receiver, keeping it within the right distance, usually about 10 feet or so. If you've got another remote that works with your device, test that to see if the problem is the remote or the receiver. Sometimes, turning the device off and unplugging it for a few minutes resets the receiver and clears up glitches. Another tip is to check if there are any electronic devices nearby causing interference, like routers or cordless phones, and move them away. Lastly, if you can, look up the manual or online support for your specific model, because some receivers need a special reset combo on the remote. One of the biggest mistakes people make with remote control receiver problems is ignoring simple checks like batteries or obstacles, which wastes time and causes unnecessary stress. Fix that by always starting with fresh batteries and clearing the line of sight. Another common issue is assuming the remote is broken when it might be the receiver's fault. Testing with a different remote can save you from buying new gear. Lastly, many folks skip resetting their device, but unplugging it for a few minutes often solves weird receiver glitches without any extra hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid spot for contractors wanting to connect with people looking for their services and grow their business easily.